How to fix Facebook error. In today's video guys, I will share with you and show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and scroll down, click on storage. Now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Sorry, where is Facebook? You have to back here and click on first stop and click OK. Now go to this option appear on top. Make sure that this option is allowed like this, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.